Culture is the beliefs that govern how people behave at work. It's beliefs. We're going to talk about how to transform your culture to excellent, personally as an individual, secondly as a leader, and third, corporately in your business or organization or your team. Excellent culture is woven into human DNA.
But over the next year and a half, over 18 months, 19 months I think to be exact, our overall culture scores improved 81%. Overall leadership effectiveness increased by 14%. The Toyota Marketing Empowerment ended up at number 1, from 27 to 1 in 2 years.
We went from dead last in U.S. Sales and Marketing Division to the only team that beat plan every single month of that fiscal year.
We're able to acquire 2 companies, geographically expand, jump up our size, and then we became much more profitable, 225% ROI pretty quickly for us. We have human beings working for us whose lives were literally changed because of this thing. Family Business of the Year, one of the best places to work. We were by far the most diverse company. And we didn't have a diversity and inclusion strategy. I'll tell you what did it. We led with culture.
I went in 2009. I won a world championship. I was on the podium every race I did and won more races than I ever could have imagined.
Our customer surveys have been phenomenal. Our turnover rate has dropped drastically. Quality and delivery now is over 99%. And we really have excellent cultures to thank for that.
This workshop is for all leaders. From high school next generation to entrepreneurs, small businesses, corporate giants, nonprofits, and even moms and dads. Space is limited, both in person and online, so enroll now.